Many organizations across Stamford feel the drag when IT is handled reactively instead of strategically, leading to downtime, fragmented systems, and stalled growth. For the industries in Stamford, those slowdowns translate directly into lost productivity, higher risk, and missed opportunities, especially when downtime costs over $100,000 annually for many businesses. Leo Minlin, founder of Citadel Blue, says, "Technology is not just a tool, it is the backbone of how businesses in Stamford compete and evolve. Finance, healthcare, legal, manufacturing, and technology firms rely on managed services to stabilize operations, strengthen cybersecurity, and support cloud-driven growth without overloading internal teams. Proactive IT creates continuity by reducing disruption, protecting sensitive data, and giving leaders clearer visibility into performance and capacity. When systems stay dependable, businesses can scale, adopt AI, and move to the cloud with confidence instead of hesitation." You can read the full article on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist.